speed. All right, here we go. Get on this side of
Here
you.
you go.
I think it's a program. I couldn't keep up with it.
I'll do a sweep of the wings on the next pass. That looks really cool.
Wings swept back.
Yeah, lost it.
She banks a lot easier with those
Yeah.
wings back. Man, she banks quick.
Yep. There you go.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Good low pass.
Damn.
All right, bring gears down.
Gears coming down. Seconds. Timer expired.
Woof.
Whoa. Break.
Brakes help. Yeah, this
Maverick,
one-
I'm going to throw on the brakes. They'll fly right by.
yeah. You don't want to do that on this one.